Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. Earlier today, I made a video where I was having trouble getting the polygon to sit inside this polygon shape equally. Well, I started thinking, I started off, if you didn't watch that one, these polygons are 2 inches. So I set my polygon for 10. And then I can just take this up in here and go like right in there, and we can zoom in and move it to right there, and now we got equal polygon. So what, I wasn't going to make a video just for that, and I started thinking this would be another good lesson to figure things out. So now, like in the first video, I'm going to go back to 2 inches to make it smaller. I've got my nudge factor still set on 2 inches. So now, and this is using a little bit of math to get them perfect, I'm going to Control D and keep moving them over. Now I'm going to group these together, Control G. And in the previous video, I just took the duplicate and I didn't make a duplicate, Control D, and take the high point and make it snap to it. But if you have trouble with something like that, what you can do is we need to figure out the height of this. The height of this is kind of misleading in a way. So we're going to put a guideline right there on the low point and another guideline right here on the high point. We're going to measure those two guidelines, and we're at 1.7. So we need to move it 1.7. So we'll take this, we'll change our nudge factor to 1.7. We're going to Control D to make a duplicate and move it down. But then remember, we did 2 inches. Now we're going to go back to 1. And we move this over 1, and we have a perfect match. And if you just kept doing that, you could go back to the 1.7. And, we got double now, so we're going to hit the Control key or Control D and nudge it down twice. So now we got double that, and you don't have to do anything anymore. It's taking a little bit of time because it's so much. But that's a pretty cool pattern, because now you've gotten really small detail by using math to get it perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.